I'm excited for Jeremy to see where the business can go.
I had a big client and everything was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I had a bloke working at the back end of had a guy working for me doing it all, and I was doing the shit on the side, which was good. And then they let me go. And that's when I sort of got onto you straight away, where I was like, this is where I need help to get more work and, deliver. It comes down to my mindset, I think, was a big issue for me. I always question myself and all that sort of stuff. And you guys are just on my back telling me, that you just got to keep at it, sort of thing. I've had the kick up the arse a few times. I do need it. I'm not blaming you at all. It's been good experience.
Yeah, very supportive.
I needed to do something, and it's been worth it. I've learned a lot, which is great. Yeah, definitely have. It's been worth it. Yeah, definitely have the information that I didn't have in the first place. I can tell you've gone overboard, like the 2-hour sessions.
Yeah.
That was really good of you guys,
Yeah, you really, take your time to look after us.
Yeah. The marketing side of things, getting out there and...
Yeah, I didn't know there was so much to it.
How to market and what to do with marketing, but there's so much more to it than just marketing, And this baiting, hunting, farming, I never heard of that before, but it makes perfect sense, doesn't it? It's so simple. The last few weeks I've had days where the phone just rings flat out and you've got 3-4 jobs for the day, and it's your own work and you're flying, and I love it.
I think I'm excited for Jeremy to see where the business can go. If he implements everything you've taught him, the business can go wherever he wants it to go. He can build the business up to the point that it can be successful. He can fill his days every day up with work, and that's exciting.
And ideally, I would love to eventually run a crew where I don't have to get on the tools, where I just have to oversee everything and make sure the business has been run properly, and organise materials or go out on site and just run a business. I mean, yeah, I'd be crazy not to, really, I think.
Your experience, your what you talk about makes sense, and you don't talk about it in a complicated way either.
That's right.
You talk about it in a way that people understand, and you come from a trade background. You know how hard it is, and it's hard work.
Yeah.
I think, whereas some businesses who do the coaching, they don't come from that background. They don't know how hard it is. They don't know a thing. They just do a course and try and sell it to people, and they don't know. It all just makes sense, and the way that you present it, everything makes sense. That's why I would recommend it, because it is down to earth.